Called Greatest Hits. This is for all four of you, so come on up and face the music. Colin and Ryan are going to be TV voiceover artists, and they're going to be talking about the latest compilation album, and then Brad and Wayne are going to sing snippets of the songs that Colin and Ryan make up. The album is called Songs of the Construction Site.
Hi, we won't be long. We'll be back to your movie in a moment, but first we have a special offer for you. Tell them a little about it, Dickie.
Well, ever been putting up a building and yet have nothing to hear while you're doing it?
I have twice.
Really? Well, so have I. Except I had half my brain removed.
You know, we just don't enjoy the music here in this country. They enjoy it all over the world. And this album is available all over the world. Well, who could ever pass up that French ballad, I Find You Riveting?
Léonce. Well, I feel like a boy fresh out of school. And if you want to get nailed, grab a hold of my tool. It's right in the belt next to where the hammer used to be. And all that's left to say is c'est la vie.
My love for you is like concrete.
Concrete.
Concrete. Its foundation is so tough and strong, cannot be beat.
Concrete, sweet.
Oh, but you, no girl I find better. I climb to your top by using my big ladder. I love you and I find you oh so riveting.
All I can say is Guy le fleur croissante. Hey, Carl.
Hey, what?
How much would you pay for an album like this?
Why, I'd pay over $100.
Where'd you get that kind of money?
But that's not all. There's over 15 hours of instrumental. But we're not going to listen to that right now because we have this wonderful Motown hit, Hard Hat Vertigo.
Up high, who could believe my luck? Because I got a hard hat on, and to my hat it's stuck.
Big scared, my panties in a bunch. When I get up this high, it makes me want to spit up my lunch. I got
hard hat vertigo.
I got hard hat vertigo.
I don't want to fall now.
Hard hat vertigo. I can't get high when I wanna stay low.
I'm all right.
I stopped being funny a little while ago.
Okay.
You know, the fun just doesn't stop there.
No, that fun doesn't.
Remember that great wartime hit? Oh, it was just so wonderful. Don't touch the wire, I'm not grounded.
You might have failed electricity class, but if you touch the red fire, you'll get a shock in your ass. It'll hurt all the way up from your head down to your toes. You might get electrocuted with blood out your nose.
You see me, and now you know the difference between AD and DC. Because the reason why, if touch it you might fry, and the electricity ticket could make you die.
That's not it. You might think that's it, but there's so many hits on this album.
I missed that last word. What was that, electricity?
It's a long one. I'm not going to try to repeat it.
Okay.
Oh. You know, this isn't just for adults. No. It's for children, too. Who could ever forget that 1940s children's hit, I Can See My House From Here?
On top of a mountain, I'm feeling fine. I'm a little dizzy now from 3 bottles of wine.
On top of a mountain, where do I begin? My mom's an unfit mother, and she's always drunk on gin. I can see my house from here.
I can see it too.
Oh, good.